So we are starting a new channel. It's called BS Homestead, and who we are is a family of 8 people. We got 2 parents and 6 kids, one of which is pretty sane. The others are very exciting. And so what I am, I'm a husband, I'm a father, I'm a senior software engineer, a farmer, a rancher, a homesteader, an off-grid enthusiast, a commercial real estate investor, a stock trader, truth seeker, a militiaman, and a defender of liberty. And now a YouTube channel maker. Truth seeker, spiritual and otherwise, and a militiaman, and a defender of liberty, and now a YouTuber. So yeah, I mean, this is our new channel. We have amazing things to show you, and we're gonna have a lot of really cool things to show you, and it's gonna get amazing. Dang it! Let go! Ow! Ow! Gosh! Let go! Ow! Okay, all right. That's it. All right, stop. Ow, stop! Ow! Gosh, dang it, let go! Ow! Ow! Gosh! Let go! Ow! Okay, all right. That's it. All right. Stop. Ow, stop. Okay. No. That's good. Okay. Ow! Stop! Who's grabbing my hair? Ow! Eric, get off! Don't encourage it. Ow! Gosh, that hurt really bad, guys. Ready? You get to do the thing? Okay. All right, we're back. BS Homestead channel. So, okay, all right. So, guys, I'm trying to finish our first video here. Ow! Ow! Just let go. Ow! Okay. All right, so we're back to the BS Homestead channel, and so. All right, so you know. All right, you know who we are. You know what we're about, and now you just need to know why we're doing this. This may be painful. It may be difficult at times, but we're gonna help you get. Our whole goal is to help people become more self-reliant. So, subscribe. Join us on a true adventure, and you'll be amazed